This is cause number 2011-38593 in the interest of Rosalind Sophia Yee. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ms. Villa?
Yes.
All right, please state your name and your relationship to the child, or children, I'm sorry.
My name is Rita Villa, and I am the mother of Rosalind and Sophia Yee.
And for the state?
Angela Jeffries, Your Honor, for the Office of the Attorney General.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Apelama Duck Yao Yi, is not present. He was served. He was served on October 19th, 2020 at 8:04 a.m. at 28707 Blanco River Quartz Spring, Montgomery County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Jeffries?
He is not, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Your Honor, before we proceed, can I have my child support officer sworn in? Because she will also be testifying in this case.
All right. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right.
The state calls Rita Sophia Villa. Ms. Villa, you are the mother of Rosalind and Sophia, is that correct?
Yes.
Who is the father of these two children, ma'am?
Apelama Yee.
All right, and how old are your two daughters, Rosalind and Sophia?
They are 9 and 10 years old.
Okay, and you signed an acknowledgement of paternity for Sophia Yee that Mr. Yee also signed off on, is that?
Yes.
All right, and so are you asking this court to find in line with that he has a duty to support your two children based on that?
Yes.
All right. Now, as far as conservatorship, you're asking this court to appoint you as a sole managing conservator. Why are you asking this court to appoint you as a sole managing conservator, ma'am?
I've been raising them on my own since 2012.
Okay, and have you had any contact with Mr. Yee since 2012?
No.
Okay, and if you needed to make any decisions regarding these children, who would make them?
Me.
All right, and so you believe it's in the best interest that you be appointed as sole managing conservator. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you understand that you'll be geographically restricted to reside in Harris County or contiguous counties until there are further orders from this court?
Yes.
Now, do you have any private health insurance for your daughters at this time, ma'am?
No, I don't.
Right. Do you know if Mr. Yee has any health insurance for these two girls?
No, I don't.
Do you have any personal knowledge that Mr. Yee has a job right now?
I don't think he does.
All right. Do you know if Mr. Yee has any other children under 18 that either reside in the household with him or that he pays child support for?
He has 4 other children.
And as far as any court costs, who do you believe the court should bill the court costs against?
Apalama.
And have you agreed to this default order, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And as far as retroactive or back child support in this case, are you seeking retroactive child support for the youngest child, Sophia, that was just born?
Yes.
All right. And you asking this court to approve that retroactive amount in this order?
Yes.
And you believe this
Okay,
order?
Miss Jeffries,
Mhm.
finding on child support arrears, it says he's in arrears of 0.
Correct. But since we're adding the second child, Your Honor, Sophia, who was born, she's the adder baby, she's entitled to retroactive child support for Sophia. So the amount that you see right up under that is the retroactive as to Sophia only.
All right, and then prior to that, it says prior order. It is found that on July 12th, 2011, the court ordered Mr. Yee did not ordered to pay ongoing child support. That sentence does not make sense.
Yes, Your Honor. In the 2011 order, my understanding is the court did not order him to pay any child support because the parties were residing together. And I apologize for not mentioning that prior order. But the parties were residing together in 2011. So we did not set child support.
Okay, but read that sentence. Tell me if it makes sense.
Yes, Your Honor. It is found that on 7/11/2011, the court ordered Mr. Yee did not order to pay ongoing child support. So it is it is a grammatical order, and I'm sorry, I'll correct it before submitting to the court.
I suppose it should say was not ordered to pay.
Yes, Your Honor. Was
All
not
right,
ordered.
we need to correct that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.
All right. Um, and you asked Ms. Villa, you're asking this court to approve this order. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
All right, call your next witness.
The state calls Ms. Luna. Ms. Luna, you are a child support officer. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And what is your full name, ma'am?
Sandra Luna,
All right. And where are you employed?
the Office of the Attorney General,
What is your position there?
Child Support Officer 4,
All right. And what is the nature and responsibilities as a child support officer?
conduct investigations and calculate child support, retroactive child support.
All right. And have you received any special training, like retroactive child support and child support under the Texas Family Code, ma'am?
Yes.
Right. And have you calculated what child support should be in this case?
Yes.
How much gross income did you find for Mr. Yee for child support?
Based on minimum wage, $1,256.67. It's the monthly gross.
And what was the child support amount that you came up with, ma'am?
Based on those calculations, the child support will be $204 beginning March 1st, 2021.
Thank you. And as far as retroactive child support, what did you calculate that amount to be in total?
The total was $10,728.
Okay. And so what was the payout that you thought should be calculated on that retroactive judgment?
Yeah, in 2017 was based on minimum wage.
Okay, for 2018?
It was based on his gross income of $1,639.51 monthly.
All right, and for 2019?
It was based on minimum wage as well, $1,256.67.
And then 2020?
It was based on minimum wage of $1,256.67.
And so on that total retro judgment of $10,728, how much should he pay on that monthly, ma'am? Ms. Luna?
I couldn't hear you, I'm sorry.
How much should Mr. Yee pay on that judgment?
On the retroactive, $100 beginning March 1st of 2021.
I have nothing for this witness, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
You have any questions for her, Ms. Villa?
No, I don't.
All right. Anything further, Ms. Jeffries?
No, Your Honor, just at the court costs, we would ask be billed to the non-custodial parent, Mr. Yee.
All right. You're going to make that correction on the grammatical error.
Yes, Your Honor, I will correct it.
Oh.
And will say that we did not order him to pay child support.
He was not ordered. Should say
He was not
he
ordered.
was not ordered. Not. Yeah. All right. I'll approve the order with that correction.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. You may log off, Ms. Villa. If you have any questions, log back into the. Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
What was that?
You can log off unless you have questions. If you have questions about the order, you can meet us at the other Zoom.
Okay. No, that was it.